I think I messed up by not telling you sooner about the legend of Numdar Raja Azmat Ali Kayani. Numdar Raja Azmat Ali Kayani, a name that resonates with respect and admiration. With a dazzling 26-year career, he's worked with top national newspapers, taking the helm as managing editor, and that's not all. For 8 years, he served as the provincial president of the Pakistan group of journalists in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. During the peak of terrorism in Peshawar, Kayani played key roles, becoming a beacon of truth and resilience. Respected by the most powerful circles in Pakistan, he's earned his place in the annals of journalism. And guess what? He's back. Kayani's return to journalism as the editor of Panah daily newspaper in Islamabad is the talk of the town. Welcomed with open arms by fellow journalists, his comeback promises to be legendary. Stay tuned for the upcoming announcement of his journalism group's name. Numdar Raja Azmat Ali Kayani's story is far from over.